Equipment and production efficiency at my plant is kind of low. How can we improve? OEE can manage availability of machines, but there are various unexpected conditions in production, such as machine breakdown or lack of material of production changeover, which cause interruption. This abnormality also directly causes a reduction in productivity and availability. Andon can be triggered by abnormality and notify relevant personnel. Reducing the handling time of abnormality can effectively improve availability and productivity. So now, let me introduce Andon abnormal events handling process. First, when the production encounters abnormal problems, such as quality abnormality, machine failure, material shortage resulting in production interruptions, employees press the matching Andon button to report the event. Second, when this abnormal event is reported, this event will be sent to the relevant personnel through multiple platforms such as dashboard, email, or instant messaging. While the event is triggered, the time of the event is recorded as well. Next comes to the third step, the response of the relevant personnel. At this point, the relevant personnel have already received the tickets of the event. The duration and cost of the events can be maintained here. Finally, the abnormal events were fixed by the relevant personnel. At the same time, these abnormal events will also become a database as a reference for production manager to enhance operation strategies. All abnormal work orders can be presented in the shop floor or situation center through Andon's dashboard, such as the real-time monitoring center, so that all employees can quickly understand the status of production abnormality through event by categories count, factory map, and event list table. Additionally, failure matrix dashboards such as mean time to failure, detect by repair, and top 10 abnormal reasons can help production manager improve production. Here is the main process of Andon. When production workstation or machine has been detect error, on-site operation manual check the failure reason and report. Let's look at a few system screenshots of Andon execution. Andon will be divided into three interfaces. TPC interface for reporting work on site, the interface for the manager to assign work, and the interface for the cell phone of the support team. Click Abnormal Events to start reporting work. Upon reporting, you can choose the cause of the abnormality and machine, as well as the assigned personnel. After sending the report, the abnormal event will be triggered to notify the administrator and be assigned to the support team. From the cell phone side, engineers and management can see and maintain the dispatch orders. This concludes a quick introduction of Andon. If you are interested in more detail, feel free to contact us via the link below.